Etapa 8, sección 13, vamos por Cuenta historias de una fogata, lección 1 de 3.
Ideal.
Ideal.
Compromise.
Acuerdo.
Lobster.
Langosta.
Campfire.
We walked so fast that we were practically running.
We walked so fast that we were practically running.
Theme.
Team. Thematic.
Fingerprint.
Justice.
Campfire.
There are many ways to
Roast.
That creepy green owl was silently following them.
That creepy green owl was silently following them. I screamed when I noticed that the shadows were actually. Yo tenía miedo cuando yo me di cuenta de que la sombra estaba realmente creciendo.
Growing.
Podría un hombre lobo haber dejado esta huella oculta a Wolf. Era lobo. Fuera de la oscuridad vino una criatura que fue mitad hombre, mitad bestia. Era un werewolf. Contémonos historias de terror. Let's
Tell.
scary
Werewolf.
stories. I'm so excited for our camping trip. I can't wait. A spider estaba lentamente crawling, gateando delante de mí. Era tan lenta que yo...
Slow. For us Morays, first you roast a marshmallow on a stick over a campfire. Then you eat it with a piece of chocolate between two small crackers.
¿Cómo hacer s'mores? Me muero por escuchar cómo escapó el lavatorio. I'm dying to hear
how
she escaped from the lab. Estaba tratando de escapar de
He
trying to escape.
escape.
He trying to
Desperately.
he was trying.
The
noise
was
gradually getting closer.
closer.
He
was
was trying
to discover.